Hi, I'm Patrick, and this video should tell you about the IIM Amritsar IPM course. That is, after 12th, if you want to do a 5-year BSc plus MBA course from IIM Amritsar, then this is it. So normally colleges do offer BBA plus MBA. This is BSc, that is Bachelor of Science in Quantitative Finance and Economics. So focus is finance economics, okay, and that's what the whole course is about in graduation. The MBA course will be common. So let's try to understand the course and go over it. We've been training students for management entrance examination for more than 23 years, which includes the IPM, the CAT, the GMAT, etc. Now coming to right now, as of now, 6 IIMs are providing the IPM. Amritsar is the new one that is there. There are other 3 colleges, Kozhikode, Bangalore, Shillong, which also provides graduation course for management. But these are 6 which provides the integrated management course. So you do graduation plus you do an MBA. So Amritsar being a new college, let's look at whether it's worth it. What do you look at? So normally when you look at doing an MBA or IPM course, look at the placements of the MBA course. I mean, a lot of colleges do provide IPM, but if the placement of the MBA course is not good, I mean, of that college, it doesn't make sense to do it, because in the end you'll be sitting for placements along with the MBA college. So if I'm looking at these, I mean, though Ranchi is a very new college compared to Rohtak, I would still place Ranchi on par with Rohtak or maybe better, because the MBA placements are better. That is what you need to focus on when you're comparing. Same with private colleges, other colleges, look at MBA. For example, IIT Kakinada. It is supposed to be very good because they have placements, and it is the first year. They've been promised placements along with IIT Delhi, which has amazing placements. So technically they become even better than the IIM Ranchi, Rohtak, Jammu as such, because the placements of the MBA course is good. That's what you look at when you look at college. Now coming to IPM at IIM Amritsar. So it's a 3-year degree course, so Bachelor of Science in Quantitative Finance and Economics. Where you have option of opting out. I mean, after 3 years, if you feel no, I don't want to continue doing MBA, I want to just get a graduation and move out, you can do that. So after 3 years, you can move out with a graduation degree. So the graduation is focused on 3 areas: management, finance, and economics. The 3-area focus. Okay. The MBA which you do afterwards will it be along with the MBA students, the normal MBA students which they take into CAT. So they and you will be sitting together for the 4th and 5th year, and it will be a dual degree program, MBA and dual degree. Now, what you look at is you tend to look at placements. If you look at placements in 2024 for IIM Amritsar, the highest was 58.52. It is the international placements. They have some international companies coming in. The average, but it's a top quartile. Top quartile is top 1/4 of the batch. Top 1/4, the average was 19.73, and here top 1/4, the average was 18.01. Not very great. So the overall average should be around 12 to 13 lakhs per annum. That's what the package should be in terms of considering the top quartile is 19.70 and 18.01. The overall average could go to around 12-13, around that level. It looks less. The Amritsar is relatively a new college. We are expecting that as and when time passes, it should do better as far as college goes, because as and when it gets older, it tends to get better placement. So one option is you can take the admission, see for 3 years, finish the graduation course. If you feel no, college is not doing as per your expectation, you can opt out. If you feel no, college is doing well, you can continue with a 4th and 5th year and do an MBA. Fees. First year the fees is 6.25 lakhs, 5.75, 5.75 first 3 years. The 4th and 5th year fees will be common with the MBA program. So that is the same. So 3-year course is 17.75 lakhs. A little expensive is what I feel for IIM Amritsar. IIM itself is a good college. They have amazing faculty, amazing group to go with. But still, I mean, if 17.75 looks a little expensive, so little on expensive side, but yes, if you can afford it, I mean, if money is not a problem and you can afford the fees, it is worth it. You should take it up. Instead of doing a graduation from a normal college, doing it from IIM Amritsar, you will get a good hostel life, good peer group, good faculty, everything is good. And with the option of doing an MBA from IIM Amritsar after 3 years, you have an option without writing a CAT doing an MBA. So that's what. So check out, but if it's expensive and you feel it becomes a little expensive, no harm. You can always go for normal graduation, write the CAT and get into an IIM degree. Getting into a good IIM college is possible if you can crack the CAT, and it's not very difficult. It's just the tricks and turns of the exam that you need to master to get into a good IIM college. I hope that's clear. We do have courses for IPMAT, full course, test series, for BBA entrance exams. Interested, you can do contact us. Thank you.